Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will cover topic real numbers. When we talk about numbers, so there are two types of numbers. First one is real numbers and the second one is imaginary numbers. So today in this video, we will discuss what are real numbers. So basically, real numbers are divided into two categories. First one is terminating decimals and second one is non-terminating decimals. But in non-terminating decimals there are two more categories, which are recurring and non-recurring. Example of terminating decimal is, for example, let's say 5 upon 2. So when you divide 5 by 2, let's check. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So now you can see that this is terminated. So this is called terminating decimal 2.5. But when we talk about recurring decimal, so let's say we have a fraction 5 upon 11, and if I divide 5 by 11, so first of all I need to put a decimal over here. Now 11 4s are 44, 6 will be remainder. Now 11 5s are 55, 5 is the remainder, and again 11 4s are 44, and this will continue like this 0.4545. So this is recurring, it is repeating. The decimals after the decimal, the numbers after the decimal point are repeating. So it is like this 0.454545. So in shorter way we can write recurring decimals like this. We need to put a point on the numbers, or we can put a bar over here as well. So we don't need to write it again and again. So this is an example of recurring decimals. And in non-recurring decimals, we have example of this number, which is actually pi, 3.142. So we are just showing here 3 digits after the decimal, but as you know there are unlimited decimal numbers after the decimal point in the pi. Similarly, square root 2. Non-perfect square roots are all non-recurring decimals, so they will never end and they don't repeat as well. So after understanding terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals, we need to understand one thing, that the terminating decimals and in non-terminating decimals, recurring decimals particularly, they both are called rational numbers. And non-recurring decimals, which we cannot write as a fraction, are called irrational numbers. And real numbers is the set of union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. So in this video we have covered that what are real numbers. Real numbers are the union of rational numbers, which are actually terminating decimals, and recurring non-terminating decimals, and irrational numbers are non-recurring non-terminating decimals. So real numbers are the union of the rational numbers and the irrational numbers. Thank you everyone.